Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're playing Guess the Brainrot by sound. I'll play a sound and you have 5 seconds to guess it.
Tralalero tralala. No. Orcalero, orcalà.
Before start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Capu cappuccino.
Here's sound number 1. The answer is
Capu cappuccino assassino.
sound number 2.
Boneca ambalabu. Boneka ambalabu. Entitas jahat yang banyak meresahkan masyarakat akhir-akhir ini.
Listen carefully.
Tralalero tralala. No.
Time's up.
Tralalero tralala. No. Orcalero, orcalà.
Sound number 3.
Tung 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 tung. Tung 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 sahur.
Share the video with your friend who looks like this brain rot.
Sigma.
The answer is
Sigma boy. Zebra.
think fast. It's
Zebra. Zebralini. Zebra. Zebrocini.
next sound.
Trick track baraboom. Il mio mantello.
This one is a bit harder. And the answer is
Trick track baraboom. Il mio mantello fa rum.
here's another sound.
La vacca Saturni.
Focus. Time's up. That
La
was
vacca Saturnita. De frente tu sei tanto bonita. Con il corpo di Saturno.
sound number 6.
Troppi.
Did you get it? The answer is
Troppi. Troppa trippa. 3 topi trotterellano.
now we're in the hard round.
Liri lari là. Liri lari là. Elefante nel deserto che cammina qua e là.
Listen closely.
Scimpanzini bananini.
Time's up. The answer is
Scimpanzini bananini. Wa. Bananucci. Monkeyucci.
next sound.
Ballerina.
That one was
Ballerina cappuccina. Mi. È la moglie di
second to last sound.
No.
Think carefully. The answer is
Ballerina cappuccina? No. Espressona signora.
final sound.
Urubini flamenghini.
The answer is
Urubini flamenghini.
how many you got right. Comment your score below. Like the video and subscribe for more brain rot sound games.